Okay. So, good morning everyone. Last class we discussed about some more problems on mole concept, and now we are moving on to the third topic, which is empirical formula. Now, what is empirical formula? Empirical formula means the simplest whole number form of a formula. The simplest whole number form of a formula is called empirical formula. If I explain you in some simple words, then glucose का formula is C6H12O6. Glucose का formula is C6H12O6. So you can write this as CH2O6. 6 you can take common. So this one becomes the empirical formula, simple whole number ratio, and this 6 becomes the n factor. This 6 becomes the n factor, which means empirical formula, if we multiply with the n factor, then you will get the molecular formula. Am I clear? So this is the empirical formula. For example, if I take ethyl, it is C2H2. So I can write this as CH2. So CH will be the empirical formula and N will be 2 will be the N factor. So this is the meaning of empirical formula. Empirical formula means writing the molecular formula in a very shortcut manner. Now how to take out empirical formula, that we will discuss now. So the steps of how to take out empirical formula, it is given in the notes. I'll give you. You see the procedure how to do. So for empirical formula, students, remember, percentage should be given. So let us see a question. Suppose carbon is given to be 24.27%. Hydrogen is given to be suppose 4.01%, and chlorine is given to be suppose 71.65%, and molar mass is given to be approximately 99 gram. So they have told to find out the empirical formula and molecular formula. This is the question. That percentage is given. Carbon ka this much, hydrogen ka this much, chlorine ka this much, molar mass is this much. Can find out the empirical formula and the molecular formula. So this is the question which is given to you. Okay. So now the first step is convert all this percentage into grams. The first step is convert all this percentage into grams. So carbon ka mass will become 24.27 gram. So carbon ka mass will become 24.27 gram. Hydrogen ka mass will become 4.01 gram, and chlorine ka mass will become 71.65 gram. First step is convert all the percentages into grams. Next step is find the number of moles. Next step is find the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to carbon given mass by molar mass approximately 2.02. Number of moles of hydrogen given mass by molar mass 4.01. Given mass of number of moles of chlorine 71.65 divided by 35.5, that is 2.02. So you have got in 2.02, 4.01, 2.02. Third step. Steps you will get in notes. I am just explaining. Third step is divide by the smallest number. Divide by the smallest number. So you have got three values. This one, and this one. Which is the smallest? 2.02 is the smallest. So number of carbon is equal to 2.02 by 2.02. 1. 4.01 by 2.02. That is 1.99. And chlorine will be 2.02 by 2.02. That is 1. Now the next step is round off. You have to round off to the nearest integer. This is 1. This will become 2. This is again 1. So number of moles of carbon 1. Number of moles of hydrogen 2. Number of moles of chlorine 1. So therefore the empirical formula comes out to be CH2Cl. This is the empirical formula. CH2Cl. Clear? Now, in empirical formula it is fine. In empirical formula it is fine. How will you find out molecular formula? How will you find out molecular formula? To find out molecular formula, so if you want to do empirical formula only, you have to do this much step. First, I convert into grams, calculate number of moles, divide by the smallest number, and then round off. You will get the answer. Now to find out molecular formula, you have to do 2 more steps. Empirical formula came CH2Cl. Now you take out empirical mass. That is, empirical formula ka mass will be empirical mass. So CH2Cl. So CH2Cl. इसका आंसर आएगा 49.5. So therefore n factor का formula is, you write down, molar mass by empirical mass, that is equal to 99 by 49.5, that is equal to 2. So n factor you are getting 2. So molecular formula will be, students, the empirical formula. So molecular formula will be the empirical formula multiplied with the n factor. ये empirical formula निकला ना, ये वाला. So molecular formula, if you take out n factor, then empirical formula multiplied with n factor will give you molecular formula C2H4Cl2. So this is the way to find out the formula. Notes will be getting in your Google Classroom. This part is explained properly. I have explained how to find out, and then you will do some numericals as homework. That will be getting today itself. Clear? So hence the first step is convert into grams, calculate the number of moles, divide by the smallest number, round off to the nearest integer. Is that clear? Then to find out molecular formula, take out empirical mass, then take out n factor, that is molar mass by empirical mass, and then you do molecular formula, that is empirical formula multiplied by the n factor. So that's it. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and do empirical formula ka sums today. There are some more sums in the this one in your exercise that you will do later. Okay, thank you.